Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting day because my buddy Iman from Exio has come up with some conceptual direction on the design based on my last meeting with him. So let's see what he's got cooking. Iman.
Hey Manny, how are
you?
Good, good. What's
Good.
up?
Oh wow, that's a lot of different renderings.
I had a lot of homework to do.
I love it.
Yeah, ready to be
Ooh,
amazed.
you want to maybe go up in the conference room?
Sure.
Because I don't think that table's gonna fit all these drawings.
No, it's like 60 drawings. Yeah, we need the
60.
largest. Yeah.
60. Woo!
All
right, let's get to work.
So what I want you to do is just to step out so I can lay this out and have your first impression about what you
love it.
Okay,
all right,
let's do
deal.
it. So in 2 weeks we created almost 60 different ideation sketches exploring different directions for this project, like roadsters, barquetas, coupes, different themes like futuristic, more luxury oriented. It's all over the place because that's what we do. We usually spread out when we want to do the ideation. There is no specific direction. We explore all the avenues. Based on that, we give the client the opportunity to immerse themselves into the world of design and kind of find the theme that they're more interested in. None of these are actual designs because they have not been done on the digital scan of the platform. So some part or portion of these designs might not be even feasible, but that's not important. That's not the whole point. The point is discovery. We call this phase the discovery phase. Okay, now we're ready. Let's call Manny and see how it thinks. All right, Manny, are you ready?
You need a bigger table.
I do, yeah.
Holy moly. Wow, these look more like a plane than a car.
Well, they were supposed to be futuristic, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we tried to do.
I'm a little overwhelmed, to say the least.
Yeah.
And I haven't seen the second half of the table. Wow. Okay, so I see these were some of the inspo.
Yes,
right?
This is the inspo. So we got the Rolls-Royce round door. This is the analysis of how the design was made, the major lines and how the proportions work. This is the Bugatti Royale. And this is our potential platform, the Rolls-Royce drophead, Royale, and a round door.
Yeah.
So as you can see, this is not that small in comparison to Royale. The thing is, we just need more length. And the thing is, the wheels on classic cars are a lot larger. So if you go with bigger rims, we will create that like massive grandeur feeling. Any large luxury platform will work with this project.
All right, let me go through this. I want to see which one actually speaks to me. I can make a connection with just on design.
Yeah.
I don't need to know a specification. And then we'll go through process of elimination and narrow it down. And because this is definitely a lot on my plate right now, but I can identify at least 4 or 5 that I'm really excited from what I'm seeing. Definitely not this one. This one looks like a apple grinder or, I don't know.
Yeah, that's
this looks like a meat grinder.
That's very mean looking.
It is cool, but I don't know. It doesn't speak to me. This one here is interesting, but I don't know where's the front, where's the rear.
Well, that's the front, obviously. That's the rear.
Now, what is this one on the? Is that the side?
The wheels are covered on this one, so that's why you have difficulty.
Sometimes the craziest ones are probably the most exciting ones.
Yeah.
So
you don't.
If I don't like something, I'm gonna keep it here because it's probably crazy.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, definitely not this one.
Yeah. So let's put them aside because we need to narrow down these to probably 10 concepts.
I don't like this one either. It looks like a tiger shark. I've been watching too much YouTube with Enzo.
I think you've been watching too much animal.
Yeah. Wow, I absolutely love this. This is so cool. This is more of a yacht than a car, but I love it.
Yeah, actually, let me.
Is this the front? Are these?
That's the rear end.
Oh, this is the rear. Oh my God, it looks like the front.
So you see this narrows down and then sweeps down like this, and you see the lines. So that's that. So that's the rear end.
Got it.
This.
Okay.
I mean, that's just
love it.
These are the stuff that we can develop later on, but if there's a concept that resonates with you, just put it aside.
So this is actually my top pick so far.
Yeah, me too. So this
and this is also that same car, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This one is another version of that rear end. A little bit more sporty, not luxury, a little bit more sporty, that one.
Man, that's a tough one. It's okay, we can still consider it. This one is kind of interesting too. God.
It's tough,
You're
right?
making it very difficult, Iman.
I know, and we've just started.
This one looks incredible. This really looks futuristic.
That's beautiful. That's one of my favorites.
It is my favorite
Just
too.
imagine this like massive geometry, very sleek, very aerodynamic.
Is this a side view or no?
This is very close to this because it has this profile. It's like more, let me see if I can find it for you.
Wow, look at the side view of these things.
Oh, this one is very interesting because you have the entire profile underneath the car, the rocker panel in rose gold.
Wow.
So that's going to be really, I mean, in person, that's going to be very, very beautiful.
Wow, these look like envelope openers.
Yeah, they're very sharp. Oh, by the way, if you like the Roadster Barchetta type feel, this is another Barchetta, a different design language.
Yeah.
Of course, not as sleek as this one, but this one doesn't even have the windshield, so it's all open.
This is gonna take a lot more than one session, guys.
Probably.
I may have to cancel my rest of my day.
Not a bad idea. This is the coupe version of this Roadster.
Okay, looks like I'm gonna be building more than one car today, guys. I don't have it. It's hard to make a decision. I want one coupe and one Roadster.
Yeah.
And then one Art Deco and one very futuristic. So that's 4 cars. All right, let me sell one more building.
Remember you drove the McLaren Alba. How'd you like that experience?
It was okay. I definitely want the windshield.
Right, okay.
Oh, because, you know, you smoke a cigar and drive, I mean, you're gonna...
Okay, so in that case, this is not gonna work.
No.
So let's eliminate that, right?
Yeah. And it's too concepty without the windshield.
Yeah.
You know?
It is.
Yeah, definitely this one, no either. I mean, although this could be like a, you know, I don't know, something like Ford Shelby would come out with monster muscle car.
Yeah,
it's not really
like,
cruiser.
This is more like sporty rather than luxury. You know what? You can pick details that you like. You might be like, hey, you know what? I like this detail. I don't like the rest.
Yeah, I'm not crazy about the bulkiness of the front. I'm leaning more towards
sleek.
Yeah, but although I absolutely love this too. If this could be a little bit more smoother and just have the grille big.
How about this?
Now we're going somewhere.
Yeah.
I really like this. This is so smooth. And then that's a Roadster version?
That's a Roadster version.
Man, I'm telling you, it's more than one car.
Yeah, so we got 2 more Roadsters here as well. I mean, close, but a little bit different here and there.
I like these 2. So let me put these 2 away. Now let's get my favorite out.
Okay. Yeah. I'm impressed, Manny. Good taste.
Yeah?
Good taste.
We're getting close.
Yes. Well, if you're down to like maybe like 10, we're good.
Yeah, then we can,
because keep in mind, these are not designs by any means. These are just themes.
These are direction.
Just design directions that we're going to explore more and perhaps, have 10, 20 different design ideations and sketches based on each one of these.
Okay, so
but these 2 are pretty much the same design, different accents. So
and this is the rear.
And that's the rear for the same design.
So far, I
this is very close to this also.
It's just a different
a bit more sportier than this. This is more like luxury.
And would you say this is the front of this car?
Yeah.
Okay, because I love this front.
Yes.
You know, it's massive and it's not too crazy like this.
Yes.
It still has some, this one seems a little too bulky for a refined end.
Too bulky, too aggressive, right?
Yeah, the refinement has to match the rear.
Okay, there's a huge departure here between this style and that style.
Yeah.
This is more like luxury, this is more sleek minimal.
Yeah.
I would go
sporty.
with this if we want to go
I agree.
luxury
I agree.
this,
I agree.
Right?
Okay, so one less.
That's
Same
pretty much
with
following
this.
the same direction. That one too.
Yeah.
These are sleek modern, we want to go like luxury modern.
All right, okay. I mean,
I think these 2 are the same. These 2 are the same. So,
okay, so we'll just...
that is technically one design.
Yeah. And that's the rear of this.
Yes.
But could it be the front? I love this front.
we could explore that idea.
Yeah, I love.
Yes, we could explore that idea.
This as a front.
These two are the same, different touch-ups here and there, but pretty much same concept, same idea. And they're very, very close in nature to this, just has a little bit more sportiness into it.
No, I know,
so
yeah.
it's about
That's what I'm saying, it's more of a Bugatti donor than a drop
this
head.
is more like sporty, this is more like luxury. It's about direction. We want to go more sporty, more luxury, which one? So
yeah, I feel
it's
like
just
this
about
one,
that.
we have to do a T-top. Like my
Actually,
Bugatti Rembrandt.
Targa top
Yeah,
or
Targa,
T-top
where you
could
can lift
work.
it up.
That way we can have Roadster and Coupe at the same time.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
it's a nightmare to build,
Yeah.
but
It's not that crazy.
well, sealing and water sealing and stuff like that is a little bit tough, but I think it's worth the extra effort because you're gonna have two cars in one.
Yeah. What would
Yeah.
you say the rear of this one would look like? This or this?
More like this.
More like that. Okay. Then. Okay. So now we're down to this.
And
To
you
me,
know what?
I like
we don't
this
need
too.
we don't need to go down into one design.
No,
We
no,
can
no, I
have
know. I
three,
definitely
four
want
different ideas to explore, right?
Yeah, I'm definitely thinking one coupe, hey, one roadster. If the, I mean, the roadster all open versus Targa is a huge difference, right?
Huge difference.
It makes it so much more modern. Man,
So
I'm very impressed,
two donor
Iman.
cars, huh? Yeah.
We're onto something.
Yeah.
I have a feeling there is more than one car coming out of this sessions.
Probably.
Yeah. All right, so what's next? You're gonna take these few, the finalists, and then rework them with different
Yes.
design. Maybe we do a Targa top option.
Exactly.
It's very difficult to make this a convertible the way you have it because you need a place right for it to
but Targa
retract.
works
But
well with
Targa
that
works,
one.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So from now on, so these are not designs by any means. These are
Yeah.
just ideation, just
Yeah, yeah.
random ideas. Now we're going to take them seriously. The designs from now on is going to be based on the actual proportion of a donor car. So we need to pick few donor cars.
Yeah.
And try
See
to
what's our
develop-
final donor car.
Yes.
Okay.
Finalize the donor car, and based on that, we will go work with the donor car, see which design works better with the proportion and wheelbase of the donor car. So we make it more serious from now on.
Man,
and we
I'm
dive into
thinking-
details.
Maybe we change the donor to a Veyron.
That would be amazing.
With big fat tires?
Yeah.
I'm looking at this. Imagine, take a Bugatti and then reskin it with this incredible futuristic body. But my favorite so far, it's this design here. Obviously, it's very preliminary, but I love how the entire roof stretches all the way down to the floor on the rear. It's very much like the drop head with my teak wood there, and very much like yachting. And the front, this is another favorite of mine, and definitely an option for a roadster. This looks incredible. And to think this is just super preliminary, I can't imagine what else can come out of the sky.
Yeah, it's just a warm up, Yeah.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
Iman, what was your favorite?
Oh yeah, what's your personal favorite?
Okay, so good question. So my personal favorite is obviously this rear end.
Really?
Yes, this accent.
Yeah.
But this one doesn't have that accent. Let's say combine this front end section with this. That's gonna be my favorite idea.
I agree.
For the rear end.
I love this, and if you can add this rose gold
touch over there, that would be
100%.
really, really nice. Yes, and this one is one of my favorites also, with a combination of the feeling that we have here with the vertical
lights,
graphics and lights.
Yeah.
That would be even more unique.
Now, one more question for Iman.
Yeah.
Were you upset on any of the ones that Manny put away? Was there one there like, oh man?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's got to be one in there that got away.
Okay.
One, yeah.
Yeah, okay, let me see. Okay. Well, obviously this is one of my favorites.
To be honest with you, this was a hard one for me to put down.
But to be honest, this is, I mean, the feeling, the direction that we have here is very close to that, but it's a little bit more like sleek.
Yeah.
That one. So
This one looks like a single seater.
One of the badass fronts I liked because I like the idea of having a floating, here, you see this one? I was envisioning this detail as a floating airfoil. So air goes underneath this to the bonnet. So it just connects the two blades that we have. That's a detail that I want to implement. Not the entire graphics of the car, but the detail. This, you know, floating wing in the front.
All right. Well, you got your work cut out for you, and it's gonna be hard for me to bite my fingernails and wait for you to come back on the next session.
Sure.
So super excited. Thank you, Iman.
Thank you, Manny.
Now I get to keep all this, right?
Oh yeah, it's all yours.
Woo! I'm gonna build a design studio just for this project.
That would be awesome.
For me and Iman.
Cool, Manny.
Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed this session. I can't wait to show you guys what Iman's gonna come up with on the next session. Be safe, be well, and see you guys on the next one.
Okay guys, so if you're interested in futuristic design, car design in general, please join our Discord channel. There you will have exclusive access to behind the scenes of the design and development process of this exciting one-off masterpiece. The link's in the description below.